Hi friends, welcome back to Samora tutorial. Today we are moving on to CBT, how you can create online exam using Samora bot. Here we go. If you have Samora before, you can quickly open it and go to website manager and builder, and from there you go to your website manager. But I'm going to run it from a browser here. You can go to manager.service.com and you can see we have the ID here. So let me open my panel. Now on this, you go straight to CBT. Under here, I need to add, let me put maybe jam. How many minutes do I want people to use on this my CBT? I want them to use just 2 minutes. Now here we have our two options. We have test ID not required, test ID required. Test ID means if we choose this required, it means you don't want people to attempt this question, this CBT, unless they have test ID. So which means you can generate test ID for them, or you can sell it, you can give it to them free, anyone. Okay, but I'm going to use the first one, test ID not required. Description of my exam, maybe just to prepare you ahead for jam. Now, what is the instruction you want to give to them? Anything, follow anything you like, alright? Follow below steps. Number 1, choose anything. So I just want to write anything here. Number 2, blah blah blah, maybe your instructions. After I click on save, added. Now if you check here, I have 0 questions, 0 attempts. Now questions means you have not added any question to it. So the first, you can see we have choose box here, and this place we have delete, we have edit in case you want to edit this jam. So if I click on this, I want to edit it. Now we have copy. So this is the link to my CBT. You can see CBT link. Now let me check this on my browser. You can see it shows no question found. So let me add question now. It's either you click on plus sign here, or you click on these questions. You can see no question. That this is plus. Click on plus. You see question number 1. What is in now? So option A, naming word. Option B, programming word. Option C, animal. Option D, plant only. Now which one is your answer? If it is A, you choose A. If it is B, you choose B. Now after that, you click on save. You have added 1 question like that. Now let me go back to that our link, refresh here. Now you can see this is jam, just to prepare you ahead. Now it is required to enter your name, your mobile number. Now after that, let me quickly do that. My name, your phone number. Then if you click here, you see you need to read the instruction first. This is the instruction given to me, and after that I've read it. So click on start. Now here is the countdown. I chose 2. I added 2 at that time, so this is 2 minutes. It's counting down. All right, now it shows submit. Why? Because this is the end. It's only 1 question that we have there. Okay, click here to exit. Now let me add 1 more question to this. An adverb, or let's just use what is. All right, my name is Said, so answer is A. Or let me just use answer is C. Okay, now the correct answer is C here, so let me choose C, save. This is question number 2. You can see number 2, number 1. Now let's go back to our CBT here. Let me attempt the quiz again. You can see here we have 2. it shows next. What is a noun? So name a word. Next. What is your name? The correct one is side, so I want to choose this so that you can see the error and the answer and the one I got, the one I meant. So click on submit. You can see you scored 1 out of 2. So click here to attempt again. This is the correct one. This is the correct one. Submit. You can see, so I scored 2 out of 2. Now, how can I check people that have attempted this quiz? Now, go back to your CBT. You can see here 2 attempts. Click on it. Here is the link to check the attempts. Then you visit here. Now, it shows green because I scored everything. That is why it shows green. So, if I miss one, let me do one again. Click out here. Let me call this one side. Start. Good. Now the first one I'm correct and the second one I'm wrong. So let's check it out. Good. Now on this place, let me check the record. You can see this person is okay. So it's called 2 out of 2. Why this one is only 1 out of 2? How many attempts? Once. Why this one? Twice. Okay, all right, that is how to do that. And let me now go for test ID. Maybe I don't want students to just access that my quiz online, so I don't want them to just access it like that without having a test ID. So you click on display to generate test ID. Now these are my test ID I have here, so you can generate them here. So let me generate only one. If it is one you want to generate, type 1. So you can see one test ID generated, which is this one. Now, if you are giving it out or you have sold it, so you need to click on mark so that you know the one you have sold. You can see another the color changes. Now, you go back to your CBT. Now you have generated test ID that will be given to your students to access your CBT online. Now go back to your quiz, your CBT. This is my CBT. Add another one. You can see, so you need to choose test ID required, or maybe this one I've added before. Let me edit it so that it will require test ID. See, test ID required. Update. Now let me go back to my jam here and attempt refresh. You can see test ID. So I don't want to enter anything, so I don't want to enter that test ID. Let me just proceed. You can see it's telling that it's required. All right, now let's just type anything here, which is this. Next, start. You can see incorrect test ID. Please try on that test ID. So that means I need to provide correct test ID. So the correct one, I copied it already. So let me click on start. Now I have access to this quiz. You can see because I have the test ID, and I can attempt. What will happen if this thing reaches 0? So it will hide everything and it will tell you to submit. So you'll not be able to attempt any questions again. Okay, so but because there is no time, or let me just wait to the end of this timer. Now it's close to good. You can see time's up. So please submit your test now. You can see there is nothing like press back, more forward. There is nothing like that again. So the only thing that is left for me is to submit. And if I don't submit this thing, it can log me out. So let me click on submit. Oh, I scored 0 out of 2. So click here to start another CBT. You see, it takes me out. Now if I'm to use this thing again, let me check it again. Already used. So that my test ID is already used. I can't use it again. So it takes me out. That is how you to create CBT. And if you don't have Samora before, you can go to Play Store to install Samora. This is Samora bot. On Play Store, you can install it in your Android phone. And after that, you need to create websites. When you create website on it, it should give you website manager. Now when you visit the website manager on your mobile phone, it looks like this. Okay, now but if you are to run it on your browser, you need to go to manager.service.com and you'll be required to enter your manager ID, which can be found here. If you scroll down under your mobile phone, when you log into your website manager, you can find your manager ID here. So this is the manager ID you will need when you want to use your PC or your mobile phone or your browser to manage your website. It's either you use Samora Bot to manage your website or you use your web browser. Thanks for watching.